The Start menu is back and more customizable, too. Hover over the edges of the menu and you can resize it with the mouse, for example, or right-click on the Windows 8 style live tiles to resize or remove them. You can also drag them around. Right-click on the desktop, choose Personalize, and open the Start tab to make more changes. Instead of squashing tablet and desktop modes together, Windows 10 lets you switch between them. It happens automatically if you connect a keyboard to a tablet. Open the Notifications button in the system tray, then click on the Tablet Mode button to jump into an interface that's more suitable for using with a touchscreen device. If you've used Windows 8 in the past, then you'll be familiar with snapping windows to the sides of the screen, but now you can snap them into the corners too. Drag a window up into the corner with the mouse to see it in action, or hold down the Windows key and tap one of the cursor keys to get a particular application window in place. Windows finally includes native support for virtual desktops, so you can spread your apps out across multiple screens. The wallpaper shortcuts and taskbar stay constant. Click the Task View button on the taskbar, to the right of the search box, or press Windows key plus Tab to create or delete desktops and switch between them. With the arrival of Windows 10, Cortana comes to the desktop, and you can activate the personal assistant from the Cortana app on the Start menu. Use the "Hey Cortana" voice command or click inside the taskbar search box. Then ask a question about the weather, the age of your favorite celebrity, or the events coming up on your calendar. Have you found the new Windows 10 web browser yet? Microsoft Edge is designed to be slick and speedy, and one of the interesting new features it brings to the table is the ability to annotate websites. Click on the Make a Web Note button on the toolbar and you get a highlighter, eraser and marker pen to play around with on screen. Microsoft is launching most of its apps on Android and iOS, and it wants you to know how easy it is to use Windows 10 with your mobile platform of choice. Open the Start menu, then click Phone Companion, or search for it. To get started, the app shows you how to sync emails, contacts, calendars, photos and more to your mobile device. Windows 10 includes a suite of new biometric security features known as Windows Hello, and if your computer has the necessary hardware, you can use fingerprint detection or face recognition to log in. From the Settings app, search for it from the taskbar, choose Accounts and then Signing options to see the different choices available. The Disk Space Analyzer in Windows 10 has been given a significant upgrade, so you can actually work out what kind of files are taking up room on your system. To find it, run a search for Storage from the taskbar, open the Storage setting entry, then click on the drive of your choice to get a breakdown of how the space is used. Windows 10 includes a rather controversial feature called Wi-Fi Sense, which is designed to let your Facebook, Skype and Outlook friends get onto your home network automatically whenever they pop round to visit, and vice versa. Delve into the Wi-Fi settings page and you can turn sharing off for contacts on some or all of these networks. Take control over your updates. Installing Windows 10 updates isn't optional for home users, because Microsoft wants to make sure people's computers are as secure and as bug-free as possible. You can, however, control when these mandatory updates are installed. From Settings, choose Update and Security and then open up the advanced options under Windows Update. Undo the upgrade. For a month after you've installed Windows 10, you have the option to go back to Windows 7 or Windows 8/8.1 if you want to. Again, you need to go to the Update and Security section of Settings, but in this case click on Recovery. You'll see the option to roll back your upgrade if you're inside the time limit. Click Get Started to begin.